Short on time, but craving something delicious? Today, I'm going to show you how to make a mouth-watering pizza in the air fryer. Quick, easy, and totally satisfying. Let's jump right in. We're using supermarket-bought frozen margarita dough to keep things quick, but you can use fresh dough as well. Get your preferred toppings ready, whatever you love on your pizza. Place the defrosted dough onto the air fryer tray. Time for the toppings. Start with some pre-cooked chicken, spreading it evenly. Add a few slices of onion for that delicious crunch. Sprinkle some green chilies for a little heat. Throw in some red and yellow capsicum for extra color and sweetness. Top it off with more cheese, covering the entire surface to keep the toppings from burning. And if you're feeling adventurous, throw in some extra chilies for more heat and a fragrant finish. Place the air fryer tray into the air fryer and set it to 180 degrees centigrade or 355 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Make sure to check the pizza halfway through since air fryers can vary. Ours will need about 5 more minutes after the halfway point. Once the timer is up, carefully take the tray out of the air fryer. The pizza looks perfectly cooked. Gently remove the pizza from the tray, being careful not to tear the crust. Slice it up and serve with your favorite beverage. That's it for today's quick and easy air fryer pizza recipe. If you're looking for more delicious ideas, be sure to check our other videos. And as always, have a wonderful day.